Hello. Hi. Can you? I'm testing this microphone if this is working in my laptop, on my laptop. So I plug the Type C connector. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just testing if this is working with my laptop. So this week, starting Monday, I'm going to be very busy. Like, so busy. I have two demo lessons for the ESL companies, with the ESL companies that I sent applications to. And on Tuesday, I have another interview via Zoom with the security agency company, which is located just one town away from here, because I'm planning to move to another company, and I'm also planning to I'm done with the planning stage. I'm already into the execution of the plan. So as I have mentioned in my previous video, which I wasn't sure if I uploaded in my YouTube channel or not, that I have plans of finding remote job part-time. Then if everything goes well, I will transition to working remotely as a freelancer full-time. Um, I have this is like a 2 to 5 years plan, because I said I'm thinking I don't want to work in the corporate anymore. I mean, I don't want to work on site by the age 50, because I don't the traveling, going to work and back home, the hours that I spend stuck in the traffic has becoming very unbearable as time goes by. I mean, this video is already 2 minutes long. We're going to make it 5 minutes only. So, and this also serve as my practice video, because I'm planning to really shift into ESL career, teaching ESL online, because I feel like this is something that I would enjoy doing even after I reach the age of retirement, which is 60 here in the Philippines, because it's not that I don't love the job that I've had in the accounting. It's just that in the accounting job, um, you cannot be as creative as you want to be. The job is more of like analytic, and if you have a job that works with people who want things to be done this way only and not your way, that's accounting. I think that's the aspect of the job that I no longer enjoy. Maybe I would have enjoyed my work more if I get feedbacks like you can try this approach, or you can try this one. But no, I mean, I only receive feedbacks when I make mistakes at my job. But I in those years that I have working, I did not receive anything like, "Oh, you've done a good job with this report. You've done a good job with this one." You No, I didn't get feedbacks like that. but I just assumed that if I didn't get any good feedback, I assumed that the work was good, was okay, that I've done well. So, and they would only give me a feedback if there were mistakes or there were something that needed to be changed or what. So that's it. That's been my work for the past maybe 20 years. And that's something that I want to leave behind. I want I want a job where I can see the progress of my work, where I see the result of the hard work that I put. And I see that in teaching English, because in teaching English I don't only help the students who want to improve their English. I'm also helping myself because I want to improve my English. I want to achieve a native speaker level or C1 level of English. I don't know why. My love for the English language started when I was young. I think I was already in my third year of college when I realized that I wanted to study English, but it was already late. I was already in my third year of accountancy, and switching courses would only cost my parents more money. So I finished accountancy, I graduated accountancy, though with a heavy heart because it was the practical choice at that time. So, yes, and I graduated, luckily, thankfully, and I got a job. Most of my jobs are in the accounting, so I'm grateful for the job that I've had, because it put food on my table. It helped my family. I'm grateful for my experiences in the past, and I've met a lot of people. I've made friends. I think maybe this really had to happen, and I guess it's about time that I needed to follow what my heart wants to do, and that is to work as a teacher, as an English teacher, and we'll see. And I hope and pray that God allows me to use this, to just to live the rest of my life in peace and calm. Just to be happy with my life while I'm doing work that can sustain my needs and also enjoying what I'm working on. So this video is already 8 minutes long, and let's see if the mic that shines with the green light is working perfectly with my laptop. Bye for now.